Well, we're back at it again. This time, at minimum, I'm trying to do the transmission tunnel. If I get that done, what I feel is in a reasonable time, we'll work on something else. But with that said, my goal today is to try and do the transmission tunnel. I bought some metal from Lowe's. I know I probably could have found it cheaper or better or whatever somewhere else, but I'm impatient, but I'm also lazy. So let's get to it. So I've got a piece of 8 by 24 inches, I think. Yeah, 8 by 24. And I bought a total of 3 of them. That one over there, this one, that one. I didn't have an exact plan. I just thought I'd have enough metal. If I need to, I could cut up and make it work. I also have a 12 by 24 right there. And this is the space we're trying to cover. So, what I did was I measured the firewall. All this metal is 16 gauge. That is what I'd measured at the firewall. And what my plan is right at the middle of the transmission from tail shaft to bell housing is this piece, about 10 inches wide and an estimated 7 inches down. You know, so you have, let's just pretend we're looking at it straight on. Here's the top, 10 inches, 7 inches, 7 inches. What I'm thinking, because I don't really have anything for bending metal, is I will heat this, hammer it, extend this out, then heat, hammer. And then try and mount that loosely around the transmission to give it kind of a centerpiece, like, okay, this is where we're building off of. And just go from there. You're coming along for the ride with me, so yeah, I guess let me get started. And here we are. It is phase one, I guess, of the transmission tunnel. Obviously, there's still areas I want to fill up. Like, actually, I'm probably not going to fill up that middle area, or maybe a little bit. You know, just a little gap. But, you know, as you can see, I've still got, you know, other openings, and I'm not in a rush to fully seal it up because when I pull the engine and trans out, I want to pay some attention underneath, grind down any overlap, weld there to just get it nice and sealed. But that will be later. This is just, okay, it's open, or it's covered up now. Because, yeah, let's just get the comparison from over here. You know, we've got some room, mostly on the passenger, but we've got some driver's side room and some things to clean up. But for the most part, that is how it's going to look. It'll just look prettier later. And as I've said before, or I've mentioned before, there's a shifter that goes in that maintenance plate. So that's why it's just left open. Shifter will be there, boot, things like that. So it'll look fine. I'll figure out how I'll decorate, like making of panels and looking proper interior. Who knows? So yeah, still some work to do. But with that said, I am done for now. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. There's got to be some comments. Maybe. But thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.